Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be covering columns on Microsoft Word. Columns are helpful if you're trying to design your document to look a little bit more like an article or maybe like a newspaper or a magazine. And to do this, all we have to do is head over to the Layout tab under your ribbon. And let's go ahead and hit the drop down here next to columns. And let's select how many columns we want. Do we want 2, 3? Do we want to have a custom amount of columns? So let's just start with 2. So you can see once we select 2, it changed our entire document to a 2-column structure, which is great if we want to keep our entire document like that, but there may be one page where you want 3 columns, another page where you want 1 column. So let's hit back, and this is where section breaks come in. So if we come back over to Layout under Breaks, we have this over here under Section Breaks. We have an option to break add a section and then move everything that's below it to the next page, or we could go ahead and do a continuous break where we add the section, but it keeps everything on the same page. So let's select that one. And you can see with our markers here that we have a section break, and it added a little bit more space between these paragraphs. So this is a section and this is a section. So let's actually do one more. So we'll have 3 sections all together. We'll have the first 2 paragraphs, the next 2 paragraphs, and then everything that's below it. So let's make a change here to the first 2 paragraphs and see if it changes anything below it. And it does not. Okay, that's what we wanted. So now let's do the same thing over here for the second section. And let's do 3. Okay, so now we have 3 columns there. So you see we have a completely different section up here that we can make changes to, and it won't impact anything that's below it. Now, there are some other options when it comes to columns. So if you come over here to the drop down again, go to more columns, we can decide, do we want to do more than 2 columns? We could do more than 2. We could also adjust the width and the spacing, but there's also this cool option here too, where you can actually add a line between, and it makes it a little bit more clean, a little bit easier to see. So let's do the same thing over here for the 3 columns. Columns, and then line between. Okay, so it doesn't look the prettiest. I'm sure we could format this in a way where it would look a lot nicer. But yeah, so this is how you actually add multiple columns to your documents, how you can add some lines between them to kind of give them some, where it's clear where one column ends and another one begins, and then also how you can actually just kind of structure your page so that maybe one page has 3 columns, another page has 2 columns, and so on.